The Google Pixel cameras have garnered widespread acclaim, with the exception of a few iOS enthusiasts. This year, they continue to impress with the launch of the Pixel 9 series. Among the new offerings is the Pixel 9 Pro XL, a variant that adds a larger display compared to its non-XL counterpart. Both models share the same camera configuration. Recently, DxOMark released its camera test results for the Pixel 9 Pro XL, awarding it an impressive score of 158 points, placing it second in their global rankings, while the smaller Pixel 9 variant achieved first rank in its category. This score matches that of the Honor Magic 6 Pro, but falls short of the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra, which scored 163 points. DxOMark highlights the phone's ability to deliver exceptional image and video clarity, praising its versatility for various shooting conditions. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is noted for its reliable autofocus, accurate color reproduction, and broad dynamic range. In terms of video performance, DxOMark reports minimal artifacts and smooth stabilization, with commendable results in low-light conditions. However, they observed a slight decline in image quality at intermediate zoom levels, while the telephoto lens maintains detail consistently. The selfie capabilities of the Pixel 9 Pro XL are also noteworthy, earning it a fourth place with a score of 148. In HDR mode, it competes well with other leading devices, including the Honor Magic 6 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max. Additionally, DxOMark has shared the display test results for the 9 Pro XL, where it achieved a score of 158, securing the top position in that category. The standout feature of the display, according to DxOMark, is its outstanding color accuracy. This year, Google proved that why their devices are always better not in terms of UI experience, but also camera too. So, what are your thoughts on these latest ranking from DxOMark? Let us know it down below in the comments section, and for more updates you can check out our channel, and I'll see you all in the next one. Until then, take care.